I get this supposed to be color shampoo from the beauty supply. They gave me a sample and I wanted to try it and see how it would do. I got black and I needed to color my hair, so they gave me two of these and I want to see if one would do it. If not one, because my hair being so short, I'm gonna try. They gave me two of them too and see how well it does, and if I really like it, I might continue on buying it, but stay tuned. So I had people requesting, they wanted to know how I cut the back of my hair. And you see, like I said, I'm going to use, go ahead and use it color shampoo I just got from the beauty supply. They gave me a sample. I'm going to try and see how that is. Usually I use Kiss color because I use a semi-color, but I'm going to try that and see how that works. It's supposed to be Kiss shampoo. And it's supposed to color the gray cover here really well. Now you see, get my grays popped in. It's color black, even though I'll be wearing a wig. I do sometimes want to wear my hair. I got these. These are called peanuts. You can get them in it, maybe beauty supply, but you can also order them online, Amazon. Excuse me. I got these Sally's, and they're really edges. But all edges you can use. You can buy these as guys if they want to shape their beard, mustache, and they get guards too. They get different sizes. So I like to cut my hair down with guard. This is a size number 1. This is size number 1 guard. And that's how low I like to cut my hair. But last time I told you I cut the back of my hair, it popped out. And I cut it plug out. So you guys to be careful about that. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead. I always like to put since I'm in my bathroom with hair, I always like, and I don't want hair getting in the sink. I always put a towel in the sink. And then do that. And then I'm gonna go use it at the sides, but I'm gonna start at the back so people can see. So this is one. And I just cut down the whole sides and back because I like my stuff long. Spread it. It just gets real kinky. Now I like my hair to be neat, so that's why And real quick, y'all see that I'm basically going down with the guard. Got the guard on here, and I'm going down, and I'm taking most of the bulk of the weight out right through there. Then I'll go ahead and kind of tweak it and kind of fade it. But right now, I'm just going down. And I got my finger holding the guard this time. And I get this scoop in the middle of the back of my head. It is the hardest thing to get that just right. Right in this little, right there. I always have a problem to get that just right there. So I'm going to have to work on it. Go ahead and set this hair all real nice, get it all smooth and blessed with some Nairobi. You know, that always does the job. And get that laid down, and then we'll finish all the rest of what we need to do. A little late. Alright, so I'll be back, guys. Look at that color, y'all. It did pretty good. That might be my new thing. All it was like shampoo. Like they said, leave it on 10 minutes. I think it was the shampoo and color that you mixed it together. So I thought it was developer, but it says it has no, I don't know, it said developer, it did say developer, so I'm not sure. It said no ammonia. It takes me. But, look here, it was only 10 minutes, put that on there. It did good. And let me show you my finished results for the back of my hair. Alright, let me show you the back. Now, that's looking pretty good. Zoom in some more. Pages is up. I haven't finished it, but that's the back. So, if anybody want to know some of the details how I cut the back of my hair, that's it.